How to make Repost public on TikTok. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the menu. Then, go to Settings and Privacy. After that, go to Privacy. Here, make sure that the private account option is turned off. If not, then turn it off by disabling it. Then tap on Switch to a public account. Once you switch to a public account, anyone will be able to follow you and view your public posts. Anyone can stitch and duet with your videos, as well as download them. Now go back to your profile and tap on the Repost section. Your reposts are now public. Following these steps, you can easily make Repost public on TikTok.